Hey there, I'm Claire from Hearth Nature Connection Workshops in partnership with Coed Lleol. Today I'm going to introduce you to a common tree, hawthorn, and we're going to learn how to make a hawthorn berry ketchup. So here I am, it's a late September day, really warm. This is a perfect time to forage this time of year. All of the berries are coming out, so they are in abundance, so this is the best time to go and harvest. Hawthorn, or Gratagus, its Latin name, a member of the rose family, the Rosaceae. You can find hawthorn commonly growing around the UK in hedgerows and deciduous woodlands. Those berries are fantastic, rich in vitamin C and have antioxidant properties and are used in herbalism to this very day and throughout history. Great, so here we have some hawthorn berries that I've harvested. I've sourced through them to get rid of any that are damaged. I've given them a good rinse because they do tend to have a bit of a dusty film on them. So I've rinsed them and I've just patted them dry, so leaving them for about an hour just to dry out. So I've got 500 grams of hawthorn berries. I've got 350 mils of water. That's just straight tap water, and I have 350 ml of apple cider vinegar. I've chosen organic with the mother, so it's the most fermented and active cider vinegar to put into our hawthorn ketchup. So the first step is to put the hawthorn berries, the cider vinegar and the water onto the stove. Cider vinegar over and the water, and this should just about cover the hawthorn berries so they're all submerged. So this is 30 minutes later. You can see that they've lost their colour a little bit, all of that lovely liquids forming. I've added a couple of bay leaves to season, and we can add a few more in a bit. So we're going to strain it through now. So I've got a fine mesh sieve here. And you want to squeeze as much liquid out of the hawthorn berries as you possibly can. The more you extract, the more ketchup you will be having this winter. So I'm going to use a potato masher here to help with that process. Next, you want to squeeze the mixture through the sieve, getting as much liquid as you can, and then you can discard of the hawthorn berries. Now it's time to add the sugar that you've measured out. Stirring all the time on a low heat. You want to continue stirring until you get the thickness that you want for your ketchup. Add seasoning to your taste. I've added bay leaves, salt, pepper and cayenne to mine. To continue stirring, as I say, you might want to add a little bit of corn flour if it's not thickening, but keep going and you'll get there. And there you go, the finished jar of hawthorn ketchup. Thanks very much, hope you've enjoyed, and give it a go, like and share the video. Thanks then, bye.